Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you my updated Paper Squishy collection. So yeah. Start off with Megan. I don't even know why. This one's a terrible one. This one has cellophane inside. I don't know why I even put cellophane, but okay. Okay, this one's slow rising. It's like, oh, I took off the packaging. It's a penguin donut. I'll get the packaging. 1 second. Okay, so the packaging looks like this. So like you can open it and put it back in. Like that. So it's a mini animal bun, but this is not mini. It's like the size of my hand. This is Lala the penguin. But I think it's better to take it out of the packaging. Okay. Oh. Next up I have this teddy bread. I don't know, I was too bored. It says $8 at the back and it has like a bunch of homemade stickers. I think I made this a couple months ago. So let's try to open it, guys. Should I? Oops, I accidentally ripped the packaging. Oh well. I'll just take it back later. It was really slow rising. Oh. That's pretty cute. I got this thing from Rilakkuma. I kind of copied Rilakkuma, but oh well, it's like the white one, Rilakkuma or something. Rilakkuma. Let's see how it's supposed to go. Okay. Anyway, we got Jello. Pretty interesting, I guess. And then we got this like bread, this jam on it. I think it's really cute. And then I got this weird and creepy Eggo. Okay, then I got this bear. Some of these I made a long time ago, so don't judge. Please don't judge. I made this one a long time ago. It's not really squishy. It has a rubber band inside. I don't know if you guys can see the red. It's like, this is called Dream World Cake Roll. Okay. Then I got this pudding inspired by Pom Pom Puree. And then I got this marshmallow thing. It's a croupy. Then I got this strawberry Pocky. This one's slow rising. It's really slow rising. And then I have another Pocky, but this one's a matcha one. This one is really slow rising, guys. And the back is just plain white. That's one of my newest ones, though. I recreated this Pocky. This was one I made a long time ago, and then this one I made it a few weeks ago, actually. And I got this Adopt Me octopus. I actually have a bunch of Adopt Me ones now. I got an M&M cookie, and then I got this Squishmallow one. And I got another one of the things in the series. This one's egg bread. I should make more. What do you think I should make, guys? Okay, then I got this oats I made 4 years ago, I believe. That was pretty long time ago. That was pretty long ago, but I guess it looks good. No, not really. And then I got this M&M cookie. Not really slow rising. It has a bunch of holes. I made that for my mom, but she gave it to me. And then I got this McDonald's apple slices. It's filled with Ziploc bags, and it's actually pretty slow rising. got this Coraline. She has button eyes. I made her have button eyes. And then I got this Bubba Squishmallow. And then I got these Joel. I used to love these as a kid. Not really that surprising. It used to be so surprising. Okay, then I got this yellow lemon light. Maybe next time I should make a pink lemonade, guys. Next I got this blueberry waffle. This is actually my favorite. And I got this Christmas tree. It's actually really hot right now. And then I got this Barbie logo. Then I got this Hello Kitty. Okay, and I got this Texas Sam hat. Do you guys want to see how many there's left? Okay, I might stop at 10 minutes. Okay, 4 more minutes. Got these airheads. And then I got this pretzel from Golden Pretzel. And then I got this Tuxedo Sam Funko Pop. I'll make a second part as well. And then I got this hat. And then I got this young Elsa. And then I got this Tuxedo Sam marshmallow. It's pretty fun, I guess. Okay, then I got Wednesday. Oh, and I got this cupcake. I used a real cupcake liner though for this one, and then this squishy is like this part. I don't know if I can take it out. Maybe I can. Just gotta believe I can. Oh yeah, I got it. Okay, it's actually pretty surprising. Well, I mean, not surprising, sorry. It's like good, I guess. I think it's better than the packaging. Okay, then I got this Kinder Joy. And then I got this tiramisu. I love this one. And I got this broken chip unicorn chips. And then I got Keroppi I made 2 years ago. Oh. And then I got this money. It's $1. And then I have this Tuxedo Sam macaron. And I believe I have a pig. Oh yeah. And then I have, that is the top. Sorry, I'm taking so long. I'm just putting these together. This is actually a whole squishy. It's like one of my Tuxedo Sam bottom things. If you didn't watch my short, it's like it came in a set, like a set, but very cute. Okay, then I got this ghost with a bow. Okay, and then I have this matcha green tea thing. Then I have this surfboard. And I have this iPhone. I think I have another iPhone, but it's a Nokia. Oh yeah. Nokia. Okay, then I have this, I don't know, a wolf. Then I got this huge Tuxedo Sam. I have this thing that is broken. It's a Lunar New Year. Oh, hang it on. I actually made this for my video today. A smiley face with a blue cow print. Adopt Me seal. Valentine's Day cookie. And Bingsu. I'll actually see you guys in the next part. Go ahead and watch the next part. So I will see you in the next video. Bye! Peace.